Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to split payment with PayPal. First, open the PayPal app or go to paypal.com and log in to your account. Click on Send and Request at the top of your dashboard. Enter the emails or usernames of the people you want to split the payment with. Type in the amount each person owes and add a note like dinner bill if you want. Click Request Payment. They'll receive a notification to pay their share. You can track who's paid and send reminders if needed. For large groups, use your PayPal.me link. Just divide the total amount and send the link to each person. And that's it. That's how to split payment with PayPal. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.